Hello my dear students, welcome to Chemistry in Minutes. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 3.17. The question is, using the standard electrode potential given in table 3.1, predict if the reactions between following is feasible. So 5 set of reactions are given. These reactions are written on board. So let us now answer this question. For a electrochemical reaction to be feasible, it is necessary that the standard electrode potential for the substance to be reduced is greater than the standard electrode potential for the substance to be oxidized. So we are going to compare on this basis. So in the first reaction there is Fe3 plus aqueous and I minus aqueous. So here the substance to be reduced is Fe3 plus and substance to be oxidized is iodine I minus. So the reduction potential for Fe3 plus ion is 0.77, which is greater than the reduction potential of iodine, standard reduction potential of iodine. So the first reaction is feasible. Now the second. In second reaction there are Ag plus aqueous and copper solid. The reduction potential, the standard reduction potential for silver is 0.80 and for copper is 0.34. So substance to be reduced is Ag plus and substance to be oxidized is copper here, and the reduction potential of silver is greater than the reduction potential of copper. So this reaction is also feasible. Now the third, here the substances are Fe3 plus aqueous and Br minus, bromide ion aqueous. The reduction potential of Fe3 plus is less than reduction potential of bromine. Therefore this reaction is not feasible. So here we will be writing not feasible. Now the fourth reaction, which is Ag solid and Fe3 plus aqueous. So the substance to be reduced is Fe3 plus and substance to be oxidized is silver, and reduction potential of silver is 0.80 and for Fe3 plus it is 0.77. So substance to be reduced is having less standard electrode potential than the substance to be oxidized. This reaction is also not feasible. Not feasible. Now the fifth, bromine aqueous and Fe2 plus aqueous. In this reaction the substance to be oxidized is Fe2 plus and substance to be reduced is bromine. So the standard reduction potential of bromine is greater than standard reduction potential of Fe3 plus. So this substance, this reaction is feasible. So this will be the answer to the question.